Hey guys, in this video I'll show you the best deck for Arena 11 in Clash Royale. And this deck is actually called the Miner Barrel, okay? And the Miner is actually one of the most popular legendary troops. And that's mostly because of the ability that he has to pop up anywhere in the battlefield. And the Miner itself, it does a good amount of HP, it has a good amount of HP, and it does pretty low damage. The reason he's so strong, though, is because he's such a good distraction. Since you can drop him anywhere in the map, you can use him to soak up tower damage anytime you need to. You know what that does? It makes doing tower damage with the Goblin Barrel, this deck's main win condition, much easier. So the Miner plus Goblins does a lot of tower damage, and if left uncontested, can take them out entirely. And the main threat to your goblins with this combo is the log, okay? And other long type effects, but that's always the case. And for the support and defense, we have both the witch and the hunter to take care of, tanks and swarms. And since both of them have a similar purpose, you can use them more liberally. And the bomb tower is also in the deck. As you see here, it's one of the stronger buildings for defense. The spells in this deck is a Snowball and the Barbarian spell. Okay, the Barbarian Barrel. They're also both defensive. They have different purposes. The Snowball can help with defending pushes. The Barbarian Barrel is good for fighting around the ground troops and swarms. So look, this deck has answers for everything and a really strong win condition combo. It's actually one of the best. So if you found this helpful, we appreciate the video. Make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to App Mentor.